తీసుకుంటోంది.
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా పనితీరు, ప్రజలకు అందిస్తున్న వివిధ రకాల సేవలపై బ్యాంక్ సీజీఎం శివకుమార్ ఏమంటున్నారో ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం.
State Bank of India is the largest bank from this country. We are leaders in banking. We are also a super financial market. All the products apart from normal deposit and advances we are doing. We have recently just now launched 2 new initiatives. One is general insurance and other is custodial services. Otherwise earlier we were already doing life insurance, capital market, mutual fund, credit card. So that way State Bank of India is a complete bank, and whatever was remaining has been done now. State Bank of India has a very large network of more than 12,000 branches in this country. If we add our group branches, another 4,000 plus will be added. Our presence is there in almost 35 countries. So we almost say that sun never sets on State Bank of India, because from Australia to USA, everywhere we are present. State Bank of India, apart from being in domestic business in a big way, is also helping the international trade and foreign acquisition of Indian company, which is happening in a big way these days. In Andhra Pradesh, we are the largest bank. We have the largest number of branches in this state. We have about 1,100 branches, and we have a very ambitious project to expand it further. During the first quarter of the current financial year itself, we shall be opening about 100 new branches in rural areas, just in rural areas. Apart from that, we have also made a plan to reach out to villages with population of 2,000 and above. Under Government of India scheme or expectation, various banks have come out with their plans, and State Bank's plan in Andhra Pradesh is again most ambitious. We have already put it on drawing board, and very soon we'll be implementing that. The main area which we are working is customer service. The vision statement of State Bank of India says that to be first in customer satisfaction, and in that connection we have taken a number of new initiatives. One major initiative is SMS Unhappy Service. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, State Bank of India is investing in its development in a very, very big way. I am happy to share that Andhra Pradesh is probably the only state where the CD ratio of State Bank of India is more than 100%. That is, we are investing in this state more than the deposit that we are able to get from this state. That's State Bank's commitment to Andhra Pradesh. Apart from that, under financial inclusion, we have issued more than 18 lakhs cards for payment of Narega and other socially related payments that government makes. And these cards are also being used for banking products, so that they can have their regular deposit account. We are also appointing more of banking correspondents to reach out to more people. All these are aimed at our major goal to have a total financial inclusion in all districts in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This will also be in line with our focus to be a banker to every Indian. So far as technology is concerned, State Bank of India has become a leader in that area also. We have introduced a number of customer-friendly products which are very useful for expeditious transactions. A starting point, of course, is ATMs, and State Bank of India has the largest network of ATM in this country. State Bank Group just had 10,000 ATMs about a year ago. Actually, 10,000 was also a big number, but today we have 20,000 ATMs. So in less than 1 year or maybe a year, State Bank has added 10,000 new ATMs. We have internet banking facility, which is best again. Both the individuals and the corporates can use this facility to view their account, to print their statements, to make transactions, to make payments of taxes, or to buy their train tickets or air tickets. All those facilities are available in the best possible way, and our internet platform is also highly secured, so any possibility of frauds are absolutely not there. We have also introduced SMS alerts. When the transactions take place in the account of customers, the SMS goes to the customer on his mobile